No, that's a slave cylinder.
Well, it is a little racket.
Yeah, it's a slave cylinder. Yeah.
Got a little bit of, and it was low, that power steering, I think, too. When we looked, them were chromed headers at one time.
It looks like it are coated.
Yeah.
No eggs pipe.
Yeah,
Huh?
the one star. Oh, you pulled one starter on it, huh? The bolt.
Yeah, I was going to pull the starter off because it was kind of working hard.
Yeah.
And I thought, you know what? Because he's kind of picky and you don't want to give it to somebody and have something go bad.
Yeah.
So you can see it's.
I noticed when I pulled that dipstick, that oil was pretty nice.
Oh, yeah.
It wasn't, you know.
No, it's very nice.
So these front wheels are a question whether these are real or not. They look real something. They're the real Americans or the real American
ETs are in the back.
I know,
Yeah.
but real American magnesium.
Okay.
But I don't feel
all
it.
these mags are magnesium back then.
But yeah.
I don't even, they're still magnesium, aren't they? They're aluminum now.
You see the stock fuel pump there?
Yeah.
It's got a filter in that also.
You haven't seen those in here. Fuel pump with a filter on it.
Fucking oil pan looks good. No leaks.
God,
No oil. The
I'd hate
motor,
to put
Yeah.
the
those
motor
headers
don't
in.
have any. It's just the, like
Yeah.
I say, the power steering.
Well, that's the only blue-green part on it. The rest of that motor, see what I'm saying? The block is all
Yeah.
painted Chevy orange. I wonder if
This is the cover. I was saying about putting the cover on it and
Yeah.
right here.
I wonder if that's just a rebuilder's color, you know, if he wanted just to bought it.
Who knows?
I mean, it looks like it had tie rod ends because it's got new boots on them, but who knows is right.
Yeah.
Is this a patch job or?
You know what? I don't know. Because this is solid here.
Yeah, them both did back that a ways, didn't they? It's solid, but it's like a.
But there's no rot at all
You
on
know,
this
and I
thing.
don't know if
And
they.
these things are unibody, huh?
Yeah. The frame connectors on this sucker. You think that's a 9-inch? Or 8.5? Now that I look at it. You think it is? What do we look up?
I don't think it is.
But did you think, was it a peg leg or was it
Well, they have
posi?
the 9-inch and they got the 8-inch.
That's
Yeah.
a 9-inch there.
This one is, you think?
It looks like a 9. And here's
Usually they
was
have a
it?
tag, you know what it is, but
there's a vent. Is this a vent?
that right there is this here.
Yeah. It looks like it went right on that. Looks like it went right here, Mike, as a vent.
That's where it does go. It goes up there, but it
But we was
probably
gonna
hit
burn on the
pipe
exhaust.
or, yeah. I said we haven't got under here yet. Maybe we won't have.
Well, I'm glad you're available to bring it over here to us.
It's pretty solid. We got just some loose shit, but
Oh no.
it's a nice.
Yeah. I mean, it just needs some love.
Yeah.
I mean, look at the tires.
Tires look good.
Yeah, they're like brand new. But
A little check, but we might.
But they're probably 5-10 years old.
Maybe, yeah.
Well, we
They're
have
just that.
2017.
We're turbos, yeah.
Oh yeah.
No Flowmaster. So got a good exhaust, man.
Yeah.
This frame is nice though. What's the body underneath? It's just no rod at all.
Sweet.
Now, if somebody would take and